Spirit boosting time. Spirit boosting time. Spirit boosting time. Spirit boosting time. Welcome. Hey Spirit Boosters, welcome back to the channel. How you guys doing today? Hope everybody doing well. Well, y'all know what I'm back on here talking about, the monkey pop. Did y'all see that Roland Martin video on YouTube? Check it out. He has a what is it, a infectious disease doctor on there explaining what the monkey pop is and describing the symptoms and how you get it and how you can catch it. When she got talking about it's on the furniture, bed sheets, just touching stuff that if somebody is contaminated and they touch it and you touch it and get it on you, it's just devastating. And then she talking about on the plane, she saying that you shouldn't be wearing no shorts, short sleeve, short nothing, because when you sit on airplanes, which she's saying that allegedly they probably aren't cleaning them, disinfecting everything. So if you got shorts on and you sit on a seat that have some monkey juice on it, you gonna get infected. And then the scarring, she said, is devastating. Like I was telling y'all in previous videos, you get them like a flea bite. You see if you scratch them flea bite, they leave them horrible scars. And then, what was this? Gossip Girl, I think that's her channel. Gossip Girl shared that video of that black lady with all them nasty monkey pop sores on her face. Now Roland Martin got that same woman face. The infectious disease doctor was explaining, talking about that young woman's face, and it's just nasty. And the scarring is horrible. You can get in your eyeball, the lesions, those scabby sores looking things. You can go blind. You can get really sick. And if you in somebody's space that's infected, you breathe up, they spit sparking out their mouth. It could get in your mouth. It get on you. Those sores on your tongue. It's disgusting. Check out. I know I'm promoting somebody's channel, but Roland Martin, he got that good info over there. I'm sharing what I know, like I do on regular. My husband, he at the store, and I'm telling him, please be careful, because I'm saying like, hey, when I go to the doctor, I don't even want to sit down because the monkey pop juice could be on the seats. It's disgusting, y'all. Oh, and then they saying that the reason why it's not being taken serious because they keep saying it's a gay, homosexual getting disease like AIDS. HIV, but that's not true. Anybody can get the monkey pop. Y'all better spread this news to your friends, family, and loved ones, and tell them to spread the news. Be careful. That monkey pop is disgusting, devastating, and it is an emergency for everybody that don't want to get it. Wear your mask, keep your eyes covered, cover your hands, cover your soul. This stuff is real. I'm terrified of getting a monkey pop. I don't want it. I don't want to be out here to sound like I am causing anyone to panic. But panic! This monkey pop it's very serious. You could get it sitting on a seat, touching stuff in the store, and then getting in public stuff. Oh, hell no. Y'all be careful. Y'all the ones that go out there be living y'all best life. If y'all, please spread the news. The monkey pop is very, very much a dangerous, infectious disease. Getting in your eyeballs, blinding you, your nose, your throat. That girl, it get on your tongue. And then Rolly, I was laughing because he supposed to be having some convention, and he talking about his friends bringing their own bed sheets. And the lady was saying, well, don't have on no shorts or short sleeves as you taking off the linen you think might be contaminated. Because if you get any of the stuff on you, it just on you. So this is a lose situation, because if the juice is out there, like I tell you, when you go in the grocery store, somebody could be infected and smeared their monkey juice on the meat packs, the vegetables, the fruit. I told my husband, don't buy me no fresh vegetables and fruit. I'll just rinse my canned goods off of them. Now I'm eating my canned vegetables, y'all. That's how crazy this is to me. I'm eating my canned vegetables. I'll just rinse them off. I'm very nervous about this stuff. That monkey juice is hot. That monkey juice is dangerous. Folks around here leaking, draining, dripping, dropping, oozing monkey juice. It is being contaminating everything. You ain't safe nowhere. Nowhere. It's safe. Especially if you're on public transportation. Like that young girl, if you go watch it on Roland Martin, her face, she said she worked in a gas station allegedly, and she was touching dirty money from homeless people, wherever. This is her story. But I don't know if that's true. I'm just reporting what I have heard and read and saw. And she, unconsciously just rubbing her face, not unaware, hey, we still in some dangerous situation stuff out here in this world. You can't be touching stuff, then go to rubbing on your face, your eyes. Can you imagine? Oh my God. Y'all got to be safe. I am so nervous about this stuff. Now, I need some things. Oh my God. My husband, I got my bleach water ready now. The lady said that somebody was saying, well, I'm just going to disinfect my stuff with some spray, on the sheets. And the doctor was saying, oh, no, you got to put that in the water. You got to wash that stuff. You can't just spray the infectious pus contaminated monkey pop juice away by spraying it with something. You have to wash that stuff. Okay? Certain materials absorb that stuff. Oh my God. I just keep thinking about the packages in the grocery store that somebody just or sneeze on or heck and cough on. Y'all be safe. The monkeypox is not a joke. It's not just a gay thing. It's an everybody thing. Can you imagine your kids coming home from school or wherever and they got the monkeypox? Y'all better be careful. Spread the news of monkeypox. It's no joke, y'all. This is my goings on and carries on what's going on in my area, and more meaning I'm just spreading what's happening in this world today. In Kansas, if y'all was reading, seen that on the news, voted not to had abortion rights taken away in Kansas. So it's a win-win in Kansas if y'all was keeping up with the news. A whole bunch of stuff is going on the news. If y'all checking out, share the info with your family, friends, and loved ones. On your channel. You got a channel. Spread the news, especially about the monkeypox. Well, I'm going to turn around and let y'all see my little stuff my husband got from the store. Ain't much, because I told him, don't be giving me no fresh nothing. And the chicken he got is in a pack. But hey, I got my bleach water ready. I think this is worse than COVID, the monkeypox, because the monkeypox juice, ugh, it's disgusting. You see all those people out there with no mask on because they don't want to wear a mask. Well, happy monkey popping. I don't want to be a part of y'all party. Y'all carry on with y'all parties, get-togethers, entertainment events and all that stuff with the monkey pop around here. All this stuff need to be locked down, if you ask me, till the monkey pop juice is under control. The oozing has stopped. People are quarantined and folks are educated and the word gets out there more advanced so folks can start keeping a damn mask on, because now you in the presence of a monkey pop. That made me think of Tupac. You in the presence of a... Watch out, y'all. That's all I got to say. Keep yourself aware, safe, and protected from COVID and the monkeypox. Like I say, I got to go to the doctor now. I'm going to be standing up. I ain't sitting in those infected chairs. Then if I get the infection juice on, because this is a doctor. Oh my God. Then I go get my car and I put more monkey juice on my car seat. I'm getting me a newspaper, y'all. I'm getting me a newspaper, and I will put that newspaper on that chair before I set my Oh, ass in that seat. I don't like this one bit. Oh God, the monkey pop is disturbing me. All right, y'all stay in survival mode. Yeah, this is a survival mode situation right here. Not about food, not about eating, not about the war or the nuclear with the preppers be trying to spread. But they kidding ass. Y'all stay in survival mode with this monkey pop situation. Spread the news. If y'all got any info, share it in the comment section. But let me share with y'all my little stuff. Spirit boosting time. Spirit boosting